Hello everyone, this is Kevin with video 6, short video 6 for how to do Sqribble. And as I said earlier before, this does not replace anything within Sqribble. The training in there is so detailed and so great. This is just coming from me, kind of, just as another person like you, a user that is working with the tools and learning the tools as I go also. I mean, I'm not perfect by any means, but I learn the tools quickly, and that's what I'm showing you here. So right now, I'm going to go back where we were from the previous video. And we did a lot. We added pictures, and I showed you how to format different pictures within and move around the content. You can do so much of that. Right now, what I'd like to show you is let's add a page. Let's add a page because we want to add something. So I'm going to hit the plus sign below. Every page has this. So you hit it, and then I can go to any one of my pages. But with mine, I can go to other pages too from packs that I have. But if you just have the normal edition here, you want to import from pages, let's go pick one. Let's go say Computers Day. And I want to see that one. Now I can go grab any page, which I love it. Okay, I'm going to grab this one. This one's kind of flashy. I'm going to grab that one. And right off the bat, I've got the content here, and it came through. Now, I'm trying to understand. Oh, this is kind of strange. There's stuff on here that shouldn't be. So let's just take some of this stuff out. That's okay. Just look, I'm going to highlight it. And I think, if I'm correct, okay, that's the content itself. So I'm going to move this a little bit up here, or actually I'm going to delete this. Let's delete it. Delete element. Yeah, sure, because I can duplicate so much up here. A lot of this, I don't know why this did this, but it's okay. We just get through it. So I take this right here, and instead of taking the other one, I'm going to delete this one. Yes. So you just work through it, and you do it quick. The page is beautiful. So I can move this up, and this one, I kind of like this big type. So I'm going to keep that there and delete this page right here. So I'm going to delete the content. Yes, I'm sure. Oh, I actually took the other one. Okay, so for the sake of it, I'm going to delete this one too. Yes, I'm just kind of making it up as I go. I'm going to take this one up here, and then I'm going to duplicate this because I like the looks of this. So there it is, and I'm going to drag that back down over here. And then I'm going to say something different here, and this is different content. So you saw how I added a different color, kind of a different flavor of a page. Here, next generation. That's kind of cool. That kind of works. And then I'm going to put here, act now. And then, I mean, that's kind of cool the way they did this. Now, if you wanted to change this up, remember, if you wanted to widen it and make the fonts lower, you could go over here, make the font size way smaller, and you could stretch it. Here with the width, you can go, instead of 221, you can go 350 max because it's a half a page. A full page is usually from here to here around 700 pixels, on average, just for this model. Height, you can do the same thing instead of 437, but I like that. So I'm just saying next generation, act now. It's kind of a twist. I like it. And then here, since it's the same thing, I can change the verbiage like online or online. And then I can put, let's see, now that's a little different here because it takes the E off. So let's just do this. Let's just take that. Let's go here and let me add the width just a little bit so I can get the E in there. Watch this. So I can click that, and then I'm going to click this, and then the width I'm going to change up until there's the E. So I just changed it up just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to go back into it. I'm going to do this. Then I'm going to put AI for automation. Everything's AI on it, and then say works quickly. Oh no, that's too big. Online AI works quickly. So I'm going to click out of that. Then I'm going to go back and drag it just a little bit over here. So this is just kind of ideas that you guys can do. I really, really like adding pages. Pages is a big deal because you can keep extending your book. So title of the book here, I'm just going to put here, this is kind of cool. I'm going to put AI, online AI works. Okay, that's fine. Oh, okay, hang on a sec. You can see it's in the middle. Online AI, and this is kind of cool too. You guys are going to see something here. See how you can barely see this? So let's highlight it. I'm left clicking, holding down my mouse and dragging. And now I'm going to go, I'm going to change the color up to say, let's just do red. Let's see if it pops. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to go back over it, highlight it again, and I'm going to say bold. Now, instead of in the middle here, I want it to go left justified. If I go right, watch what happens. It goes all the way to the right. If I go center, goes back to center, left justified. That's what I'm going to do, is take it over there. So you guys can kind of see how that actually works. So, but we do have something here. Let me just show you something here. I'm going to do this again, and I'm going to center it because the page number is up here, and I see why they did it now, because I didn't see the page number all the way. So this is the header, page 4. Let me see what I can do here. No, we're going to leave that. We're going to leave that right there. So online AI works. Okay, so we're going to scroll down here, and I want to show you a couple other things that are very important as we go forward here. There's so many things I can show you guys. I'm going to go back up here, and I do want to show you guys something. And this is, let's just say content here. Let's just say you want someone to go to your website. Click here. So I just typed in click here. Now highlight it. Now this is really cool if you have never done this. Add a link. So you add the link, and let's just say you always have to put in HTTPS, because S means secure. HTTP is just a site that's non-secure. The S stands for secure. Put colon, // and I'm just going to do this as an example, www.google.com. This is just an example. Text to display, click here. Title, I'm going to put my website. So when people see this, it's kind of like a header key. Target, I'm going to say, let's go new window. Then I'm going to hit OK. See how it changed color there? That means a link is on it. So I'm going to change the color up just a little bit because you can't see the purple or the blue. It just does that at times. And so let's see if I can change the color up. I did. So this is a clickable link now. So when people go to your PDF and they click here, watch. I'll highlight it again and I'll go back to the link and it should be there. And it is. So I'm just going to get out of this. But when now people click on something like that in your page on your PDF, it'll take them to another site. So you can say, hey, click the link below. I'm going to show you what I have going on with my training, blah, blah, blah. Please click here. And you can put anything you want. So this is a clickable link now. They work well, work very, very well going forward. And you can do so much more with the clickable links. They're so important within your whole entire website. So I'm going to finish it here with video 6. We're going to be doing video 7, and I'll be coming back with so much more. Thank you.